Hey guys, John here. I am tackling this hinge on this 40 series. Several of these screws were basically seized in here, so I used an impact driver screwdriver, the type where you hit the end of it and then it rotates. This guy right here. Unfortunately, this one was stripped out really badly, so I welded a nut on it, and then what happened is the bolt broke about halfway in the hole. So now that I've got the hinge off, I've got a bit more space, so I'm going to try welding a nut to this, and hopefully the heat will loosen it up. So I'd prefer to do that than trying to drill it out. So we're going to take a stab at that here. So the way I've got this set up is I've got the bolt inside the threaded portion on the bottom. This is all one piece, so the ground will work for that. And I've used some magnets to hold the nut in place right in the center of the bolt there. There we go, success. The owner of the truck is proudly holding the bolt that we just removed. So now I'm going to chase all these threads out with a tap, and we'll install some new hardware in there. So hopefully this short video helped you if you're having issues getting these screws out. An impact driver like this one here is definitely your best bet. And if you end up breaking something, ideally weld a nut to the end of the broken bolt, and that'll be probably the best way to get the bolt out. Barring that, if you don't have a welder, find someone that does. You could try drilling it out, but then there's always the risk of wrecking the threads on the inside. So hope this was useful. If you found it helpful, please like the video, share it, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.